it's me again. Oh, I'm hungry. What do we have here at the Yap House? Ravioli? No. Soup? No. Oatmeal? No. Oh! Cup of noodles. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see. Take it out of the package. All right. So I need 2 cups of water, and I need to boil this for 3 minutes. Let's get started. So I measured my water, 2 cups. My water is nice and hot. Okay. Next, open my package. Throw away. Add the water. Good. Now that I have my water in, let it stand for 3 minutes. Now it's been 3 minutes, and I stir the noodles. Ooh. Yum. It's time for lunch. But you know what? I want a hamburger. Who wants to eat this? I know.
Wow. Lunch! Ooh, I love this, and it looks like someone stirred it pretty darn good.